Hi, my name is Tom. I work in the warranty repair department at Mystery Ranch. I'm gonna go through how to unkit and clean your bag, especially if you're thinking about sending it in for repair at our facility. If you have access to compressed air, blow your pack off, especially after heavy use or after the season, focusing on zipper chain and zipper sliders. To unkit your bag, loosen all the webbing that connects the yoke to the pack or frame. Pull open the yoke cape, remove the yoke adjuster from the yoke sleeve, and break the bond on the back panel to remove the yoke from the body of the bag. Reverse waist belt webbing and loosen or remove the waist belt, if applicable. Unravel all straps from hook and loop web keepers, unload pack, and open all pockets. Empty the pack of personal belongings and additional debris by turning upside down and shaking vigorously. Make sure all debris has been removed from the lumbar area and the yoke sleeve. If you have a framed pack setup, please remove your bag from the frame before you clean and send in to us for repair. For lighter duty, use a garden hose, a shower, or a warm tub of water with a soft bristled brush. A mild outdoor gear detergent or dish soap diluted in water can be used for the dirtiest jobs. Hang in a shady area with good ventilation to dry. Never dry your pack in direct sunlight. Please make sure your pack is completely dry before sending it to us. Place your gear in a reasonably sized box and ship it to us according to the instructions provided. If we receive your pack and the unkitting and cleaning instructions were not followed, you'll be assessed an equipment maintenance fee or your unrepaired pack will be sent back to you. We're here to help. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out.